Web 1.0, the read-only web. Web 1.0 existed from the early 1990s to around 2004. This was the static web where websites were essentially digital brochures. Users could only consume information, not create or interact with it. Imagine walking into a library where you can read books but never write in them or talk to other readers. That was Web 1.0. Websites were built by companies and webmasters, and regular users had no way to contribute content. Examples included early Yahoo, personal homepages with visitor counters, and basic news sites. There were no comment sections, no social features, and definitely no user-generated content. If you wanted to create a website, you needed to know HTML and have access to a web server. The design was simple, pages loaded slowly over dial-up connections. Everything was text-heavy with minimal images, links were blue and underlined, and once a page was published, it rarely changed unless the webmaster manually updated the code. Web 2.0, the read-write web. Around 2004, Web 2.0 emerged and transformed the internet into an interactive platform. This is the web most of us know today. The key difference? Users became creators. Social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter turned everyone into content producers. You didn't need coding skills anymore. You could upload photos, write blog posts, comment on articles, and share your thoughts with the world. Web 2.0 introduced dynamic content that updates in real time. Think of your Facebook feed constantly refreshing with new posts, or Twitter showing you live updates during breaking news events. Websites became applications that responded to your actions instantly. The business model also shifted. Free platforms emerged, supported by advertising and user data collection. Companies like Google and Facebook built empires by offering free services in exchange for harvesting user information to sell targeted ads. Cloud computing became standard. Instead of storing files on your computer, you save them to Google Drive or Dropbox. Applications moved from desktop software to web browsers. Collaboration became seamless with tools like Google Docs allowing multiple people to edit the same document simultaneously. But Web 2.0 has significant problems. A handful of massive corporations control most of the internet. They own your data, can censor your content, and monetize your information without fairly compensating you. If Facebook bans your account, you lose your entire social network. If YouTube demonetizes your channel, years of work vanish. Web 3.0, the read-write-own web. Web 3.0 is the next evolution, currently in development. It's built on blockchain technology and promises to return power and ownership to users. The core principle is decentralization. Instead of Facebook owning your social media profile, you would own it as a digital asset that exists on a blockchain. You could take your identity, followers, and content from one platform to another. No single company could delete your account or control your data. Cryptocurrency and tokens are fundamental to Web 3.0. Content creators can earn crypto directly from their audience without platform middlemen taking massive cuts. NFTs allow artists to sell digital art and receive royalties every time their work is resold. Smart contracts automatically execute agreements without requiring trust in a central authority. Your digital identity becomes portable. Instead of creating separate accounts for every website with usernames and passwords, you could use one crypto wallet to sign in everywhere. You would truly own your digital assets, from your social media posts to your in-game items to your virtual real estate. Web 3.0 also emphasizes privacy. Technologies like zero-knowledge proofs allow you to verify information without revealing the actual data. You could prove you're over 18 without showing your birth date, or prove you have enough money for a loan without exposing your bank balance.